Hey folks, welcome to December. As we close out this calendar year, I hope you are reflecting on 2022 even as you plan for 2023. In the year to come, we'll all face choices and decisions that will need to be made. But how do you make sound decisions? Well, I hope I can help you with that this month. We're going to consider 4 interrogatives, 4 words that often start critical questions. We're looking at what, why, how, and when. If you can answer these 4 questions honestly and blamelessly, decision-making will become simple. So let's begin with what. The question here is, what am I considering? Is it a choice between a righteous and unrighteous option? Am I trying to pick the lesser of 2 evils? Is there an option that is God-honoring and one that is not? Is this temptation masquerading as a legitimate choice? Before I can make a sound decision, I must understand what the choice really is. I must understand the unspoken implications of the choice. I must discern the whole choice and whether or not it is merely a distraction. Choosing becomes simple when one accurately discerns the nature of the choice. Before deciding, figure out what you're facing. And when you do, you'll make every decision a wise one. God bless. Talk to you soon. And until then, make every day a God day.